Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to blur a face and a moving face on CapCut. So we're going to try to blur this one out. So first of all, what you need to do, once you have dragged your video to the timeline, you want to also drag another one as an overlay on top. Once you will have it, you can go ahead and hide the second track. So just choose hide the track. And now you want to choose the top overlay video. Once you have chosen that, you want to go ahead and press on mask, video and mask, and press add a mask and then choose circle. After that, you want to go ahead and, for example, let's make it this size, just like so. Once you have added it, you want to go ahead through the whole video, and if the face starts to move, you want to go ahead and press on this keyframe. Just add a keyframe and let's see how it moves. It adds another keyframe, as you can see, as you move. So just don't forget to move it and just watch the whole video in order for this to work perfectly. You can add as many keyframes as you wish. And here we have it. And that's it. Once you have added that, you want to go ahead and press on effects right there at the top and then search for effects. You want to search for blur. Press enter. And now you will have this. You want to press this button and just go ahead and drag it on this whole video. And now, as you can see, it has added the blur. Now all you need to do is unhide the track. In order for this to be not so sharp, you want to again go to the mask option and feather it out, just like so. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.